Every single president has said we need to fix this system. It's a debate that's not only about the cost of health care, not just about what we're doing about folks who aren't getting a fair shake from their insurance companies. It's a debate about the character of our country, about whether we can still meet the challenges of our time, whether we still have the guts and the courage to give every citizen, not just some, the chance to reach their dreams. At the heart of this debate is the question of whether we're going to accept a system that works better for the insurance companies than it does for the American people. Because if this vote fails, the insurance industry will continue to run amok. Let me say this, George Mason. I don't know how this plays politically. Nobody really does. I mean, there's been so much misinformation and so much confusion, and the climate at times during the course of this year has been so toxic, and people are so anxious because the economy has been going through such a tough time. I don't know what's going to happen with the politics on this thing. I don't know whether my poll numbers go down, they go up. I don't know what happens in terms of Democrats versus Republicans. But here's what I do know. I do know that this bill, this legislation, is going to be enormously important for America's future. I do know the impact it will have on the millions of Americans who need our help, and the millions more who may not need help right now, but a year from now or 5 years from now or 10 years from now, if they have some bad luck, if heaven forbid they get sick, if they've got a pre-existing condition, if their child has a pre-existing condition, if they lose their job, if they want to start a company, I know the impact it'll have on them.